begin making the first bunting flag, make a magic circle using a 5mm hook and your colour of choice. Round 1. Chain 3. Begin by working 3 trebles into the magic circle. Chain 2. Now work 4 trebles into the magic circle and chain 2. Work 4 more trebles into the magic circle. Chain 2. And slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 3. Pull the yarn tail to close the magic circle. Round 2. Slip stitch into the next 3 stitches and into the chain 2 space. This puts you in the right place to start your next round. Chain 3. Now work 3 trebles, chain 2, 4 trebles into the chain 2 space. In the next chain 2 space, work 4 trebles, chain 2, 4 trebles. Repeat once more in the final chain 2 space. Slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 3. Round 3. Slip stitch into the next 3 stitches and into the chain 2 space, as you did in the previous round. Chain 3. Now work 3 trebles, chain 2, 4 trebles into the chain 2 space. You are now going to work into the side of your triangle. In the gap between the 2 clusters of 4 trebles from the previous round, work 4 trebles. Now work into the corner chain 2 space by working 4 trebles, chain 2, 4 trebles. Repeat to the last corner and side. Slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 3. Round 4, chain 3. Now work 1 treble into each stitch to the first corner. In the corner, work 2 trebles, chain 2, 2 trebles. Repeat to the end, working 1 treble into each stitch and working 2 trebles, chain 2, 2 trebles into each corner space. Slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 3. For round 5, repeat the last row once more. Fasten off. To begin the bobble edging, change colour and join your yarn to any chain 2 space. Slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Make a bobble in the next stitch by working 5 trebles together. Yarn over, insert hook into stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. Repeat 4 more times. You should have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Chain 1 to finish the first bobble. Slip stitch into the next 3 stitches. Then work another bobble. Continue until you reach the next corner. Slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Now work a bobble into the next stitch. Slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. Continue until you reach the next corner and fasten off. You have now worked 2 sides of the triangle. Leave the top edge empty. Fasten off and weave in any ends. To attach your flags together, you first start by chaining 50 in your chosen colour. To join the first flag, slip stitch into the top right chain 2 space. Work 1 double crochet into each stitch along the top of the flag. Slip stitch into the chain 2 space at the end of the row. Now chain 15. Join the next flag in the same way. Continue joining each flag and working 15 chains in between until all flags have been attached. Finish the edging by working a final 50 chains. Fasten off. Your bunting is now complete.